A woman who attempted to hug the Sultan of Perak, Sultan Nazrin Muizuddin Shah, during the state-level National Day parade in Ipoh on Sunday morning has been arrested. Perak Police Chief Datuk Nur Hisam Nordin said investigations revealed that the 41-year-old local woman had entered the stage area from the side before approaching His Royal Highness. She was arrested on the spot and taken to the police station. Initial checks showed the woman has a prior drug-related record and a history of psychiatric treatment. Nur Hisam said the woman is currently under specialist care, while a urine test returned negative. He reminded the public to respect official celebrations and avoid actions that could cause public alarm.